Happy Monday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Brock Allen here in the NCSU Weather Center, and I hope y'all enjoyed the warm temperatures we had last week. I know I did. But exactly how warm were those temperatures? Well, as we look at the climatological average for March, we see that 63 is usually about as high as we get. But last week, with the temperatures being in the upper 70s to low 80s, we were about 15 degrees above average. And those temperatures are going to be sticking around as this week moves along. But before we can get outside and enjoy them, we've got to get through today. Low pressure system over the Gulf of Mexico is going to be sweeping up over North Carolina as we move through the day. And that's going to be bringing some showers and thunderstorms. What type of storms are we looking for? Well, the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma has issued a marginal risk for severe weather with a slight risk off into the western portions of North Carolina. More specifically, that means that we have a 5% chance of seeing a severe thunderstorm within a 25-mile point on the map. And that percentage increases to about 15 as you move to the western portions of North Carolina. So more specifically, what does a marginal risk mean? Well, it means we're going to have some limited coverage of your showers and of your thunderstorms. Shouldn't really be all that intense. Winds getting up to around 60, maybe some small hail. And as we get into the slight risk area, we see more coverage of the storms. Winds getting up to about 60 miles an hour. A couple of tornadoes are possible. Doesn't look like that's a really big threat for tomorrow. And hail can be up to about 1 inch in diameter. And compare that to what we had a few weeks ago where we were in a moderate risk area. Not going to be experiencing anything like that. So let's time it all out for you. About 9 o'clock in the morning, looking at temperatures around 65 degrees. Should have some high clouds burning off by the noontime hour. 73 degrees about noon, and then as we move into 3 p.m., temperatures around 77, and that's when the showers and thunderstorms should be picking up in intensity and coverage. And by tonight, low around 58 degrees. Thunderstorm best chance you're seeing a thunderstorm is going to be between about 7 o'clock and 1 a.m. Tomorrow morning. A few of them could be strong. Winds are going to be out of the southwest, 6 to 9 miles an hour. And as we look towards our Tuesday, same low pressure system now is off the New England coast, leaving North Carolina very clear. Tomorrow, precipitation to the west of the Appalachians and across the Appalachians shouldn't be moving over our area, so going to be very clear. And as we look at tomorrow, high around 78 degrees, mostly sunny and warm, with winds west at around 6 to 9 miles an hour. And as we look towards our week ahead, outside of today, should be very clear, with Wednesday being the warmest day, high of around 83, cooling off a little bit on Thursday, and then by Friday, should have a low pressure moving in, or a cold front moving through, that could provide some showers and thunderstorms, so be on the lookout for those. So from everybody here in the NCSU Weather Center, hope you have a great week. I'm meteorologist Brock Allen.